guys, it is my second night. Made a little bit more adjustments on my GoPro. Went online to check out GoPro settings for night. So I made little adjustments. We're just going to ride some different areas. Going to ride down here by the Candy Tower. I noticed in the last video there was a little shake. I was told, and what I did my research, it said sometimes with the GoPro at night, I mean, it's not designed to film at night. So sometimes what it does is it gives out a little, like a little shake. All right, back on. Gives out a little shake. They say that it's due to the camera trying to adjust to the light, because I have the, you know, the what do you call it? The inside gimbal. What do they call that? Stabilizer. There it is. I have the stabilizer on like Super Max, or it could have been the vibration off of where I had it mounted on my bike. When I, you know, get on the throttle, the vibration went up into the camera. But tonight I have it mounted on my helmet, so it's all trying it, trial and error. What's going on here? Oh. The lights set up, camera set up back there. We're just going to cruise up in through Hensonville here. I will also shoot up into Center City, Angeles City. See what that looks like at night. Show you guys what that looks like at night. I don't know, I'm kind of enjoying myself out riding around at night. Traffic's not too bad. It hasn't been. Just when traffic is bad and crazy, I'm not a big fan of that. There we are up in Hansonville. Bellissimo's Italian pizza, Italian restaurant. Take my time through here. Black Pearl. Haven't eaten there. They say that's decent. Barbarino's. Seafood shop. There's the old 7-Eleven. People just hanging out, sitting around. It's just great to see people out, you know, walking about, getting out, eating, enjoying life. Now, I had said this before, but there's the Kaboods. We used to eat there when we lived over here in Hensonville. Since we don't live over in Hensonville, we don't check out these places over here. And a lot of these places were put in within the past 5 years, 5-6 years. Saboroso. I guess that's how you say it. Adai. There it is. Rooster Wrestling. Can't call it what it actually is because, you know, YouTube will say, oh, that's just not fit. You can't say that. So we just call it Rooster Wrestling, right? Everything looks just completely different at night. Even the kids are out enjoying the nice evening. Oh, intersection here. All right, now we're coming over the Hensonville Bridge. You can check out the lights they have here on the Hensonville Bridge. Excuse me. These lights here, the city puts all these lights up. Not Hensonville area or anything. A little bit of wind right now, so I'll be able to tell if I'm using my Rode lava microphone with a dead cat on it. See if the microphone works good. All right, let's head on up to Center City. All right, we are on the main road going into Center City here. Wow, these shops all through here are closed. Huh, interesting. There is no curfew, so I don't know why they would be closed. Unless, I guess they choose to be closed. I don't know. That's strange. A lot of people over there waiting. I don't know what they're waiting for. There's a few open down through here. Back there, boy, it was dead. And we are a few blocks yet, maybe a block or two from watch the people from the Center City area. Now we're up in the Center City area here. Got some Christmas displays. God, you know what, if I've been up in this area one time at night in the past 5 years, I'm telling you, I don't come up here at night. Not that I'm scared or anything, it's just, well, they got that really decorated nice. It's just, we just don't come up here at night. Even a lot of shops in through here, I'd say 50-50. 50-50. Got the music playing. I have nothing really to compare it to. Because I can't say I've come up here pre-pandemic and walked around or rode around up in this area at night. We'll head down. We'll make a left here. This guy's going up a one-way, but it's four ways on. So I guess because he puts his four ways on, he's allowed to do that, right? Yeah, that's what you just do it here. Put on your four ways and go. There's some more lights hanging up here on the poles. Yeah, we'll head down by the church. If I didn't say that, I'm saying it now. We'll head down by the church here. Holy Rosary. I think the last time we were up in this area at night, when it was dark, they were doing a Christmas festival where they had all the barangays, where they had people from all the barangays. This guy just owns the road, doesn't give a shit who's behind him, what's around him. He just owns the road. Yeah. Yeah, they had a Christmas festival up here where they had all the people from the different barangays come in and compete. And that was probably 3 years ago when we came up to see that. He's still in the middle of the road, like he owns the road. He don't care. There's the church to the right. I'll swing around, we'll get a different view of it. Got to make sure the bike guy don't run into me. Make a left right up here. Kind of like go around the block. We can come into the church like head on, so you can see it. Police in front of us. I'll slow down here. So we can, cobblestone road. There's Holy Rosary Church in front of us. So you've got a little festival going on the left-hand side. A little bit of food they got set up. And we'll shoot back into Center City. There it is. Still watching this, that means the video's turned out okay. Sometimes you can go out on a motorbike. I've done this before. Thought you had everything set up, running, get home, check your footage, and sound might be off, something might have been off. Might have thought you had your camera rolling, but you didn't have your camera rolling. It's always something, right? I wouldn't be afraid to walk around in this area at night. Nobody's going to bother you. Now, would I shoot off on some of the crazy side streets here? Nah. But this whole area through here, I would not be afraid at all to walk. This jeepney, I've had enough of you. Make a right here, kind of shoot back up into the circle. Like you see all the people here. Right here, and this will take us back up into the circle. How'd I figure my way out around here? Just by doing what I'm doing now. Driving around. Where's this go? Where's this road go? Looks like the market's open. Yeah, the market is open. St. Nicholas Market. It's open at night. I'm gonna have to come up here and walk around at night. Grab old Lit, we'll come up here, walk around. There we are, back in the circle. There's only one other area I want to show you guys. We'll head over there now. All right, guys, I want to show you this road right here. You know what? The road here that goes to the left and right. The thing is, I go down this road so many times a week, and I don't even know the name of the road. Just kind of wanted to come down here, show you what's open here. There's a lot of restaurants, establishments. People come in, sit down, videoke, eat, drink, all through here. And you can see they're all open. A lot of these do not open until the evening anyways, and a lot of them, I mean, you can go there as a foreigner living here, but a lot of times it's mostly Filipinos that eat on these little side street restaurants here. don't get me wrong, I'm sure foreigners do. Right there is Angel's Fried Chicken. To the right is Diamond Subdivision. But it's great to see that these are all back up, open and running. And you see there's quite a few cars and bikes parked along the road. So anyways, guys, second testing here to see how well this is going to do. Different setting on the GoPro. Hopefully it works out. Trial and error, right? So anyways, oh, this place here, locked down straight ahead there. That's above the Angeles City Water Department. Locked down right there. That's a new place too. So anyways, guys, with that being said, we will talk to you later.